Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Devin Rianta Putra and last name 279, and I will explain about the law in the Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic is an island country located on the North American continent. This country shares the island of Hispaniola with the country of Haiti to the west. This island was discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1492. The capital of the Dominican Republic is Santo Domingo. This country has an area of around 48,500 square kilometers and a population of approximately 11 million people. The majority of the population of the Dominican Republic address to Christianity, but there are also people who adhere to other religions such as Islam, Santeria, and Judaism. The Dominican Republic is from the government of representative democracy, where the government is divided into three powers, namely the executive, legislative, and judiciary. The executive branch consists of the president, vice president, and minister. The culture in the Dominican Republic mostly comes from a combination of influence from Spanish, French, African, and indigenous Taino tradition. First, I will explain about the history of law in the Dominican Republic. During the Haitian occupation of the island of Hispaniola, the legal system in force was the French legal system, based on the Napoleonic Code of 1804 until 1810. After the Dominican Republic declared its independence in 1844, a mixed judicial system was implemented in the country based on the organic law of course of 1845. The Dominican Republic adopted the French Code of 1815 with modification established by the Constitution, and the Spanish court system established during the colonial era was maintained. French codification remained in effect until five French codes translated into Spanish were promulgated in 1884. These translated codes were adapted to local requirements and became the law of the Dominican Republic for more than 150 years. The main codes, such as the Criminal Law Code, the Criminal Procedure Code, the Civil Law Code, the Civil Procedure Code, and the Commercial Law Code, are published in the Supreme Court's Judicial Bulletin, not in the State's Gazette. During the United States military intervention from 1916 to 1924, the legal system in the Dominican Republic was disrupted, and U.S. military government ruled the country under martial law through executive order. 821 executive order apply to almost all aspects of government administration. The most famous executive order enacted was Executive Order number 511, July 1, 1920. Quit real property with which the Torrent land registration system was adopted as the Dominican Republic, and title system. This system was modeled on the Philippine and Australian torrent system and remains in effect today. During the Trujillo era from 1930 to 1961, several laws were enacted, such as the Labor Law 1951, the Health Law 1956, the law establishing Court for Minor, Law number 603 until 41 of 1941, along with family laws regarding child support, divorce and adoption, and other law. The official gazettes and judicial bulletin were published consecutively for more than 30 years. The basic law underwent only minor changes, even though the authority of the Dominican Republic grew thereof. From 1991 to 2005, major reform in legislative and judicial institutions continued to be carried out to align the country's legal and economic framework with global and regional integrity. Legislative from include things such as updating laws related to the development of economic and social sector. Next, legal source in the Dominican Republic. First, Constitution. The first constitution of the Dominican Republic was promulgated in 1844 after the country gained independence. The 1966 Constitution, which was passed during the Civil War in April 1965, provide legal basics the could establish the democracy in the country. On January 26, 2010, the Dominican Republic announced a new constitution. The most significant step introduced in this constitution reform include the establishment of a constitution court and judicial council, the inclusion of direct democratic participation mechanic, and people legislative initiative. Civil Code. The dominant legal basis of the Civil Code is the Código Civil de la República Dominicana, which was established by decree of 16 April 1884 with some changes. This original code is still largely in effect today. Fundamental reform of the Civil Code through Decree number 104 of 1997 and number 556 of 1999. Criminal Law Code. The Criminal Law Code or Código Penal, which was established by Law number 2274 that 20 August 1884, include changes introduced by Law number 24 until 97 concerning domestic violence, Law number 49 until 99, which is increasing the number and type of sentence in criminal case, and Law number 2036 until 00, which expands the jurisdiction of justice of the peace. The international treaties and agreement. International agreement signed by the Dominican Republic are governed by Article 26, Paragraph 2 of the Constitution, then Article 74, Paragraph 3 of the Constitution stipulate that the International Convention on Human Rights signed and ratified by the Dominican Republic has constitutional status and can be implemented directly and immediately by the courts and the government. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.